Hey everyone, I got an HB Laserjet 3380. I've been using this for over 10 years. In this past few months, it's been picking up 2 or 3 paper from the paper tray, and it's been getting jammed because of it. And way to fix this is I bought this one. It's a roller, so I need to replace the roller. And by replacing the roller, it should stop this from getting paper jam. And the roller is inside there. And we turn the light on. Roller is right there. And this one is the one you need to replace. Here's the new roller, the pickup roller. And I'm gonna replace that one there. And what you need to do, I'm doing this with one hand. Just to open this out. And this part right here. These 2 things here. This one. Wrong place. This one and that one. And this thing should pop out. We turn it this way. There you go. Okay, it came out. So loosen that side, loosen this side. There you go. Put it back. Oh, why did I do that? Alright, to loosen this up, you put this thing out. Side, loosen this side and loosen this side. Hard to do this with one hand. Let me turn this back up. There we go. Now it's out. It should be the same size. This is the old one, and this is the new one. See, this is new. You can see the difference. One is really worn out already. So that one needs to be replaced, and it should stop the paper jam. Put this at the bottom right here. Alright, so put this back. Make sure it's the same orientation as you pull it. This one is going this way. The big round side is this way. So pull it there and push it there. There you go, and it's locked. Now that's it. So that's how you replace the roller, and it should stop the printer from picking up 2 paper and jamming up your printer. The separation pad is right here. First I removed the roller. Now I'm gonna remove the separation pad. What you do is a little screwdriver here and pop it up. There we go, it's loose already. And with the roller inside removed, this is how I do it anyway. I don't know how the pro do it. I just push this down, and push it from the back. Try to pop it from the back too, till it comes up, which is not doing right now. So just lower this down, pop it up. There you go. Now I open the inside here. Put my finger there and lower this one. Just push it back in. There you go. You see my finger? That's my finger. With the separation pad. Make sure you remember the orientation. Is this way? Not this way. Not this one, but this part. Okay, when you put it back in. So I got the separation pad, just came in the mail. Here's the old one. Here's the new one. Let's open this up. You can see the difference. Here's the new one. See the difference? This is lighter in color, and this is all hard, and this is a little bit soft. So it should separate the paper without, and it fix your paper jam. So you place this one, the separation pad, and the roller, which I can't find at the moment. Change both. Here's the new roller. There's a new separation pad. Right, let's install this now. Alright, we're gonna install the separation pad first. This is the back side, and this is the front. So put your hand in there, and let me move the flashlight. I hope the camera can still see. Might be too dark, huh? There's my sleeves. Let me slide that in there. The cat's too big. Put that in there. I'm doing this with the camera. There we go. It's in there. It's in there now. I just need to push that in. I'm gonna open this side up. Open the top side. It's up in the. It's almost at the hole. Let's help push it in until it clicks. It's the hard part. There you go. It's clicked in. See, it's in there. If I lower this, see, it's in. Not gonna pop out. Now we're gonna put the roller back in. Alright, here's the pickup roller. Part number RL1-0303, D shape, and the big round part goes in the front, and this side there, it goes in the back side. Goes in here, and if the camera can see it, sorry, can't do it this way. There. So you just push it in, and there you go. It's right there. Now it's in. It's snapped in. Now we can test it. Close it. Close it. Put the paper tray. The reason it's doing that because there's no paper. Put paper in there. All wrinkled. bulb right burning up. Well, we don't use any ink. Just gonna scan blank. Make copy. One paper. Looking good. So unfortunately, I forgot to press record when I was fixing the solenoid. So I'm going to show you how I open it. I open this up. I remove this screw over here, one screw. It's on the, if you're facing the printer, it's going to be on, this is on the right side. From the back, it's on the left side. So remove this one. Don't lose the screw. Now, open this bay, and open this up. Slide it out. There we go. Now, the solenoid, yeah, I'm watching it now. It says record, so hopefully it's recording. Should be recording. Better be recording. Anyway, here's the solenoid. And this thing shouldn't be sticking. This is the part that controls the paper to pick up. So, what I did, okay, I removed this screw. I remove this thing, whole thing comes off. I remove this part here. I remove this arm. And you can remove it by loosening up the spring. You can loosen up the spring and this thing will come off. But be careful because this thing might fly away. Don't lose that spring. You file down the dirt of it. There's gonna be a little adhesive over here. There's an adhesive over here. You have to remove all the adhesive, any sticky part in there. You have to remove that. You have to clean that nicely. So clean that out. What I did was I used a sandpaper and just grind it down. And the top here, you see this? On the arm, I put electrical tape. I cleaned this up too because there was some residue here too, up here. I mean in the bottom here, there was some residue there, so I cleaned that out too. I cleaned this bottom one, this metal part that attaches to this. I cleaned this out, and I cleaned it up the arm too. So I sand it, then I put electrical tape where the thing touches, where this two touches this metal thing here. It touches this metal. This I put a tape up here so it just bounce up. So that's all you need to do, and change it. And I'll show you the result right now. We're done changing the separation pad and a roller, pickup roller. Now we're gonna test it. I'm using even wrinkled paper and some used paper, all wrinkled from the previous test. So I'm gonna make copies, maybe 9 copies. Start. Hopefully no more jamming. Let's see. Some light on. Good. 2. Paper is not even good. It's all wrinkled. 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's still working now. 7, 9. think that was the night one. All right, that's it. That's how you fix a paper jam on a HP. Just change the roller or the separation pad. This one I changed both. And if you're still having problems with your printout, then it's probably the solenoid. The magnet probably dirty. Alright. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.